the Law of Attraction by Esther and Jerry Hicks, it reads, "Many people have set their own intuitive guidance aside, replacing it with the opinions of parents, teachers, experts, or leaders in a variety of disciplines. But the more you look to others for their guidance, the more removed you become from your own wise counsel." I know for me, there was a time in my life where I Googled everything. Every ache and pain, every question about parenting, every thought that came to my mind. Sometimes this can be really helpful because you can get really clear and straightforward answers. But more often than not, there are not clear answers, or there's a whole bunch of conflicting opinions, or there are just things that don't quite sit right with me. Meditation is a time where we can set aside Google and all the information that is there and go within us and see if we can find answers on our own. It is a time we can come to know our own intuition. As we practice meditation, we become more in tune with that part of ourselves, and we can more readily and easily access it. Nowadays, I hardly ever Google, but I do stop and think about the questions that are on my heart. And in that pause, I see if anything comes up for me, if I receive any answers. Sometimes they do, and sometimes they don't. But I love this practice of turning inward first. I love looking to myself to see if I have the answers that I need. It is a practice that allows me to be more trusting of myself and to know that I can find answers to my own questions without having to rely on other people.